Hi, good morning. Welcome back to Mike Makes It. Having a quick look at my latest purchase for the Land Rover, really. That's why I bought it. Is a Wera, I'm going to pronounce that wrong, but Wera click torque wrench. It's an A5 model. There's various models throughout the range, and I'll list those. You'll see them come on the screen before the video finishes, and I'll also link them in the description. But I've done a video on, it's the same family, but the Wera click torque C3. Now that's got a torque range of 40 to 200 Newton meters, which is pretty much ideal for the Land Rover that I maintain and run. But I've got to change the water pump on it, and I need a torque wrench that'll go down to 25 Newton meters. Now I've got Teng tool torque wrench, which is fine. It's very, very old, which shouldn't affect the quality of the device, but I'm a bit suspect about how accurate it's going to be. And it's one of these, I don't know if we can get that into focus, that you turn the base and you pick your number, basically, of the torque you wanted. I've never been a big fan of these. I've had a Norbar torque wrench, which this one replaced. But the reason I like the Wera ones, you can actually, it tells you in real numbers here, the torque setting you're actually set to, rather than estimating it on here. Yeah, you can get a fairly good representation, and I'm sure people are going to say, yeah, these are fine. Anyhow, what I've decided, I'm going to purchase one of these, and that'll get me down to the 25 Newton meters I need. It is right at its limit though, but however, it says it'll do 25, and that's what I need on the water pump. So that's what we're going to do. But we'll get it unboxed. Really identical to this one, apart from being a little bit smaller. But let's move these out the way. By the way, the C3 is really doing a fab job. I really like its action, the quality, the feel, etc. There's book of words, the calibration certificate comes with it. A lot smaller, obviously. The C3 has got a half-inch drive to it. This has got a quarter-inch. Hence it only goes to 25 Newton meters. It is a right-hand torque only device. Bear this in mind. I had some questions asked about the C3. This is also a right-hand torque only. It's a left and right-handed ratchet. Left and right hand, but only right-hand torque. If you wanted left and right-hand torque, you've got to go for the click torque push range by Wera. So bear that in mind. But I rarely come across a left-handed thread. I don't think I've ever come across a left-handed thread that needed torquing up. So from my point of view, these are ideal. But it's same principle as the big brother there. You pull the end out, and that'll enable you, see if we can get that, there you go, and turn and turn and turn until you get the desired figure you want. Look in the big numbers are the ones you're after, Newton meters. Does tell you in pounds foot on the left hand side, but you have to disregard the fractions here in the lower display. This is only a rough guide. Newton meters, so if you wanted 10 Newton meters, run that to 10 and have 0 here. If you want 10 and a half, well 9 and a half I'm setting it to now. It's set to 9 in the big display. Trying to get the reflection away there. 9 in the big display and 0.5 in there. Add the two together, you got 9 and a half. Mechanism on the bottom, push that in, and you won't accidentally alter the torque setting as you're driving the nut on. But yeah, it's really nice. Got a button on the back. You'll press the socket out. You see the little end coming out there. That'll push the socket out for you. Likewise on the C3, same sort of thing. But I like the fact you can quickly flick left and right, so you can undo or do the nuts up. But as I say, I've got to emphasise these are right-hand torque only devices. They fluctuate a heck of a lot price-wise on Amazon. I was looking at this one, £143 it is currently. Then it went down to 125, and I actually ended up paying £117 for it. So it's a lot of money still, but £25–30 cheaper than Amazon have been charging for them. So if you're going to buy it from Amazon, just hold your horses and keep a look on the price, because they do, shall I say, swing around a lot. Same thing happened with this. This was up and down 20 or 30 pounds. But really good quality. Comes in its own case. Certificate, as I say, doesn't come with one of these. That's like an anti-bump, anti-roll stop, and it keeps it out of the dirt. If you're putting this down on the ground, the important bits like the mechanism at the end, the display, etc., is kept out of the ground. You've got space underneath it, which is handy. It certainly don't roll away when it's under the Land Rover, where the Norbar did have a tendency to do that. But like I say, that's only a quick video. I haven't got any way of checking the 2 torque settings on here to see if this actually is out or not. But this is the one I should be using from now on. This is only backup. But yeah, quick video, like I say, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, thumbs up would be great. Don't forget to subscribe. Anyhow, thanks for watching.